Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhinis World. Today I am going to show you chicken handi in restaurant style. Most of us think that chicken handi should be made in a clay pot, but we can make this recipe as delicious as traditional clay pot chicken handi in a regular vessel. The masalas we use in this curry is what makes it different from other chicken dishes. So let's get started. Friends, rich and creamy gravy of this chicken handi is so tempting that how many ever times you make it, you still want to make it again and again. So, do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.